Welcome back to the channel. Okay, not a car video, but when some products come along that I really like and they send it to me for free, I'm gonna make a video and review it. Now, Super Clean sent me some cleaning stuff. Originally I was gonna use it for like the automotive application, but I think this is a much dirtier situation. I haven't pressure washed this side of the house and I can't tell you how long. And I'm gonna show you how well this stuff works. What I'm gonna do is water it down a little bit, spray down, pre-soak, all that kind of stuff. And I'm gonna show you how this melts the stuff off of your siding. I'm gonna try to get to the barbecue, and for anything else you need to clean that's gentle enough, but it doesn't leave a residue. So biodegradable, all that kind of good stuff that we want to see in the environment. They also gave me a can of their Super Clean in the foam tactic. So this is good for grills, engines, brakes, all that kind of stuff. We're going to be using this on the outside of the barbecue to clean up this barbecue. So stay tuned. Now that it's dry, you can see how well the Super Clean removed all the crap off of this old vinyl. Now this vinyl isn't perfect by no means. It's an old house, old vinyl, but man, you can see that it took off all the crap and junk out of here and made it nice and clean to the touch. It doesn't feel grimy anymore or anything like that. Now some of you are going to say, oh, he used a pressure washer. Yeah, of course. I don't have to scrub it or anything like that. But I want to show you how little of the product you need to make this work. No scrubbing, and also I didn't use a killer pressure washer. It's one of those $100 Home Depot pressure washers. Just saves time and energy, saves scrubbing and hosing it down and all that kind of stuff. But even up in the rafters, you can see it took off all the nice crap that was building up in here. Get up nice and close. You gotta remember, vinyl, this is tough to clean sometimes, and sometimes you'll need a brush, but to show you how well the Super Clean digs into the dirt and grease and removes it, is that vinyl has like crevices and it's not completely flat. So all the dirt gets trapped in the, I don't know what you call this, but it's like it's not flat. So it's harder to clean, and that's why some people have to come in with a brush and all that kind of stuff. But the Super Clean dissolved all of that and made it look almost brand new for this old vinyl that's been melted by a barbecue, as you can see. But man, what a nice difference. So it's biodegradable. I'm not being paid for this. They did give it to me for free, but I want to show you how well it works. And it's pretty cheap to buy too, so yeah, it works. So yeah, Super Clean, tough task cleaner, degreaser, dissolves grease, super easy, super fast. Oh, and biodegradable detergent, which is cool for the environment. So yeah, Super Clean. Thank you very much. Great product.